What up, YouTubers, YouTubettes? So today we're going to be making trimethyl borate. And so, what we're going to do is take 45 grams of boric acid and 300 milliliters of methanol. And let me get the methanol, I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got my boric acid in there. Now I'm adding 300 milliliters of methanol. And so now from here, I'm going to add... Alright, now I'm going to add 25 milliliters of 98% sulfuric acid. And now you just don't want to add it in there fast because it's highly exothermic, these two together, the methanol and the sulfuric acid. And so I'm going to put it in slowly, and then I'm going to set up for refluxing. And I'll get that set up and I'll be right back. Alright, so I've got my stir bar in there, I've got my condenser going, and so now I'm going to reflux this for about 20 to 30 minutes at 130 degrees Fahrenheit, 55 degrees Celsius. Yeah, and so I'll just see you at the end of that, and so be right back. Well, that's it, guys. That's all it takes. This is how you make your wildfire or green flame or whatever. You just ignite this stuff. I'll show you here. There's that beautiful green flame. Well, till next time, guys.